So I ordered a BB Glow starter kit off in Amazon, and this is what it consists like. Okay, so I already have the machine and I have a numbing cream, so this is what I needed. So I have to choose which is for my skin tone, and these are the serums. Okay, so this is like hair whitening stem cell culture. I have 2 ampules of it, and 1 salmon DNA gold ampule stem cell culture, and this is peptide and AC stem cell. So this is my first time using this brand and product, because I usually use the one that I got from my mentor, like where I did my training for BB Glow treatment and my permanent makeup. I ordered from her, but she's from the Philippines and I'm so far and I don't have time. And it's been a while since I last did my BB Glow treatment to my face, because I'm so busy, and finally realizing I really need it, because look at my face. I look so old. I mean, now I feel so young. So let me prepare. What should I use? So let's see what is my... No, it's too white. So I'm probably gonna use this one. My complexion. Okay, this one. And the serum I'm gonna take. I haven't tried salmon DNA. Okay, let me go for gold. I love gold, so I'm gonna go for gold. So I don't know if you can see, but that is... It's called EGF peptide gold ampule. So what I'm going to do is I just mix this gold ampule and this one, so I don't need to... Just not gonna pour it all, and then I'm gonna mix it. Training, obviously this is for just for me, but not if I will do with my clients. So first is you should do the serum first before then the coloring, but for me I don't want to take so long because I have so many things to do in the house. So I'm just gonna mix it. I got here some touches. Okay, so now I'm gonna start. First I need to... So obviously I clean my face, I wash my face and apply the anesthesia and waited till it's... Now I'm numb. So now I can apply already some part of it, and now I'm just gonna start. The anesthesia is very rough, so I need to hurry up. So this is what I'm gonna do. Normally I should start in the forehead, but I think the anesthesia is wearing off already because it took me so long. My kids were crying, so I had to go out in my bedroom, where I am in my bedroom right now, and see what's going on. So after this layer, I'm gonna stop and put another anesthesia again, because I don't think I can take this level of pain. Other people or other people that offer these services, they don't even use anesthesia in their client's face, and I don't think I can do that because it's painful. So there's a right way how to do this, but since I'm doing it for myself, I'm just doing it the way I want it. Not better rules, baby. But obviously it's different when you're with your client, because you have to do it the right way. You know what I mean? So I just applied some numbing cream in my forehead. So now I'm gonna go to the other side of my face. So it starts to hurt, but it's fine because our face consists of fats and not so bony like that, like the forehead. So it's bearable. The pain is bearable. So I'm just gonna do it like that, so it will lift. So if in case you don't know what microneedling is good for, well, let me just tell you. I'm 36 now, 4 years to 40, and you can't hide your age unless you have a lot of money. Some people will do it for you. But as a mom like me with 3 kids and have a very busy life, we need to do it by ourselves, and we're not rich. And the other benefit you can get from microneedling is to lessen the appearance of your scars. So I don't get a lot of breakdowns, but I do get acne and pimple once in a while, but like 1 or 2 if I'm too tired to even wash my face at night. Yes, sometimes it happens. You can't avoid it, especially when you are so exhausted during the day and after I read books. So yeah, I forgot what I said. My daughter already helps. So I think I'm just gonna now apply for the forehead. Okay, it's numb now. Let me adjust. So I had to adjust the needle because it hurts. Maybe the anesthesia didn't go so deep in my skin because I didn't cover it with cling wrap. Normally you have to cover it with cling wrap after you apply the anesthesia, but I didn't because, like I said, I had to put the laundry. But I don't have so much problems in my forehead. I should be fine. I don't think I have a lot of wrinkles in my forehead. But what my main concern is the sagging of my face, you know. Okay, let me just finish this. With all the cream, so I want to include this part because it tends to darken in this area as well, and under eye. Or it's safe. It's safe to get some needles there. This is not very deep anyway. So since it's been the first time in a long time, I'm really using a very shallow needle to my face right now. I don't want to shock my skin with really deep needles. If you will even like see other people do it, they want to make the face bleed because it means that all of this serum and all of this what I used will really go deeper into their skin. So I don't want to shock my face because I think it's like maybe half a year already since the last time I did this to myself. Because yeah, I still believe that I can do it with the serums and the whitening salts and the kojic soaps. But no, the sagging of the face can't help really. And collagen developing on our face as we age. So yeah, microneedling, look younger again. Want to accept that? No, okay, my skin looks like this because I'm already old and that's fine. No, I don't want it. As much as I can, I want to preserve my youth. Listen to my face. So I think that's it. I don't want my face to bleed because I don't want to, like I said, shock it and might do some scarring on my face and do bad instead of good. So now I'm just gonna soak the remaining on mine, and I'm gonna do this again. Oops, few minutes. Okay, next is I'm gonna put this mask. So I hope this mask works because this is not normally the mask that you should put after microneedling, but with all that needle. So I hope, so to calm down my face, is to calm down my face. Okay, thank God. So I don't think this is really a good idea. So one advice, guys, if the mask that you put on your face doesn't work, I should be more prepared. I know I should, because there are masks out there you can buy that has no whitening agent, no harmful ingredients, especially for like after you do the microneedling, and that's really necessary, especially when you're doing like this. After the needles, your face is kind of gonna swell because of all that needle, right? And especially if your anesthesia already come down, so it's painful again. So this is what you're gonna do. You can find something in your fridge whenever it's cold, because obviously the mask that I put on starts to tingle, right? And that normally is not a good sign. So I had to take it off and remove. That is a clean, really clean cotton. Okay, so you need to be careful because your face is really open right now after all of that microneedling. So here I have this one, and before I put it in my face, I spray it with this alcohol 99%, then wipe the alcohol out of it and then put it in your face, so it helps to calm down your face. That's why the mask is really necessary after microneedling, and that's why that mask needs to be in the fridge while doing the session, so it's cool, to cool your face down. It's warm, but earlier it's like flaming hot, but yeah, it helps. Then after this, okay, let me finish this cool down of my face, and then we'll go to the next procedure. The lid mask, so let me just sanitize it. So it's really important that everything you put in your face is really clean. So let's choose a color. So I'm gonna put my face in here for 20 minutes. So see you guys in a bit. So I'm done with the mask. It's really refreshing. I really like that. So it calmed down. So now I'm gonna and use this cooling gel, skin cool gel. This is actually a cooling gel for my waxing, right? But I can also use it for this treatment because my face just had crazy so this is good for waxing and also good for microneedling, especially this kind of procedure that is so intense. Look at my face, it's so red. And this skin cool gel is really good for that. Oh, it feels nice. The cooling gel feels nice on my face. So I'm just gonna wait a few minutes for it to charge, and this is like the cooling massager. So now it's charged, and I'm gonna use the remaining of that serum to my face so it will glide. So I'm just adjusting, making it cool. So this has two purpose. This thing, it's only very cheap. I've had this for a really long time now, and I bought it in the Philippines. Actually, while I was in the Philippines, I bought this Shopee, I think. Yeah, Shopee. So this is cooling too, and it's lifting. So it has a vibration, sonic vibration. So you will see now the difference between not using this and then the side. So it's important that you use the cool one. Mura lang to, guys, compared sa mga, I think it's around than $30 or less than €30. So in pesos, I think I bought this for 1.5 to 1.8. I know for sure dito siya umabot ng 2K. So dapat pataas lang. Ganyan. So you can see the difference. Medyo up na tong dito kabila. Okay, so I need to level up because ang machine na to is dapat up to 20 minutes lang. So after 20 minutes, cool to siya. Instead of cool, magiging ano na siya, warm na. So refreshing. So dapat, normally sa procedure na to, imamassage pa ng handler or sino yung nagagawa. Imamassage pa yung face, but I think my face has had enough because I have a sensitive skin. Namula na masyado sa kanina microneedling, so I don't wanna overstimulate my face and my skin. If imamassage ko pa siya, so much better ito na lang talaga yung gamitin. And then after this procedure, guys, the skin should not get wet for 24 hours. See, namatay na siya. It's low but again. And that's it. I'm just gonna wait again and charge it for a few few minutes and wait again. So I choose to stay because, and it's morning, I was supposed to do it last night, but I was so tired because we had a whole day trip to Serengeti Park, which is a really big, nice park. So we were so tired. I was so tired and I didn't have energy anymore. So that's why I waited till this morning. Woke up, had some breakfast with the kids, and then I did this. Now I'm done. No, normally, if you're doing it for a client, you would wipe it clean, right? But it's just me, and I feel like wiping my face right now is not so good, and it will not feel good. So I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm just gonna stay home anyway, and I don't mind if my husband and my kids will see me like this. And I'm gonna start as soon as my face is really more kind of like already calmed down and a little healed, maybe at night, then I will wipe it, and then I can wash it tomorrow morning. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. So it's been 24 hours after the microneedling that I did, obviously yesterday. So I already washed my face, and yes, you can see it's not red anymore. But because I didn't do too much or really use the deep and like really deep microneedling, right? But if you will touch my face, it's very textury. It's really textured. It's rough. It's because the dead skin or the outermost skin is starting to dry, and then few days more it will come off. And that's why what I need to do now is I need to moisturize, and I shouldn't expose myself too much under the sun, and always use SPF. So the best results of this microneedling you will see maybe 5 to 7 days when it's already peeled off and all the dead skin that you scrub it will already come off. And so this is my face after 36 hours. Nag-peel na siya while nag-wash ako kanina. So I am in bed now. So ayan, it's very dry na. Makikita nyo yung pag-peeling. So what I'm gonna do is mag-ano na ako, moisturize kasi nag-wash na ako ng face kanina. So first is ito muna aqua na water-based na moisturizer ang ilalagay ko to hydrate. So earlier I went out when the sun is shining, so I had to apply sunscreen. And next is itong Nivea na thick. So ipa-absorb muna natin yung na-apply this Nivea. So I feel my skin is tighter now than before I did the procedure. So I'm gonna religiously do this microneedling every 3 weeks, so I will know really what's the result in the long run. Okay, that's it. Good night.